Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are really good and you all are getting lots of knowledge from this series on most important SQL commands and DBMS concepts for your interview preparation. So today we are moving on with our next very important command in SQL, that is order by keyword in SQL. Okay, so this is one of the most important and the most used keyword in SQL. We will look into everything related to what is order by keyword and how it is actually used. I will be giving you varieties of examples so that you understand each variations of order by keyword. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So what is order by keyword in SQL? So this order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order, right? I hope by now you already know what is result set, right? Means the output which is generated, the data which is returned from that select statement in SQL, those data, those rows are basically stored in a result table, which is also called as a result set. Correct? I hope you got this thing. So whenever there is a requirement for you to sort some data, sort the required rows or sort the input table, then that sort the data in ascending or descending order, then only you need to use order by keyword. Okay, so I'm repeating again, whenever there is a requirement to you that you have given a input table and you need to sort it according to the business requirement, that is in ascending order or descending order, then only you need to use order by keyword. Okay, so it's really interesting, right? So it is the one of the most important command in SQL. Okay, order by keyword. Now by default it sorts in ascending order, so you must remember this, that order by keyword, it sorts in ascending order by default. Okay, so if you, I am showing the syntax in a while, but just remember that if you keep it as default, then it will sort in ascending order, right? And if you change it some way or the other, then only it can be sorting in descending order. I will show you how. So you first understand this, to sort in records in descending order you need to use DESC keyword. Okay, disk keyword. So you need to remember this, that it means the order by keyword, by default it sorts in ascending order, but if you wish to sort the records according to descending order, then you need to use DESC keyword. Okay, and how to use this keyword I will show you. See, so at first, suppose you need to write select star, means all the fields from this customer table, order by city. Okay, so select all from customer table, order by city. See, this order by city means we need to sort this customer table with respect to this city column. Okay, with respect to this city column, and we haven't given any more keyword, right? So this is by default, it will sort the city column, means our entire customer table based on city column in ascending order. Okay, so it will sort this customer table in ascending order correctly, and the value it will take consideration for this ascending order, that is city. The city column, the values present in the city column will be taken into consideration for sorting the data. Okay, and how it is done we will look into some examples, then you will get it more clearly. Now if you wish to sort the customer table according to descending order, then you need to just add this keyword. Okay, DESC keyword, right? So you need to understand this, by default it sorts in ascending order, but if you wish to make it sort in descending order, you need to just add this keyword at the end, then only it will work. Okay, so I hope you got this thing. Now let us see some examples in each case, then only you will understand it more clearly. Okay, so let's move on.
Oh my god!
So suppose I have a requirement like this, that I am having a customer table. Just make sure you listen to it very carefully. We need to list all the customers according to their cities in ascending order. Okay, so understand this requirement very clearly, that we need to sort this customer table but according to the city column. Okay, according to their city column in ascending order, means this city column will be taken into consideration, and according to that we will sort the rows, and in that too in ascending order. Okay, so it is clear, right? So what is the query? That similar query, right? Select star from customer, order by city. Means we need to sort all the rows from customer table, order by city. Means we will take city column into consideration. Okay, so city column will be taken into consideration, and we haven't added any more keyword, right? So it will sort this by default in ascending order only. So what will be our output? Our output will be something like this. And why is it so? Let us see, we need to sort these value, right? So just see, these are string values, right? These are string values. So we need to sort is lexicographically, right? So what will be the first character? K, D, P or G in English alphabet? Which character comes first? Obviously D comes first. So that's why in ascending order we means lesser to bigger, right? So Delhi will come first. Then which character will come? G will come, then K will come, and then P will come. So in this way this is shorted. But suppose there is something like the Delhi and Dehradun. Okay, so both are D's, so we will look in for the second alphabet in that case. If that alphabet is also same, we will look for the next character. So likewise we will see, okay, and accordingly we will sort them. Okay, so this is how you need to sort a string value, and this is our result, right? So now let us see some examples in descending order. So suppose this is our requirement again. Now we need to sort this according to the descending order based on city column itself. So what will be the query? That same very query, just we need to add the description, means DESC keyword at last. Okay, so what will be the output? The output will be just reverse of the previous one. Pune, Kharagpur, Gujarat, Delhi, means PKGD. Okay, so accordingly the rows come. See, the rows value won't change, it will remain the same, just the rows number will be changing, right? So this, see, in ascending order this was the first row, but in descending this is the last row. Okay, so because we have sorted the city column based on ascending order. Okay, so now let us see one very important example which will give a different variety to you, means how the order by keyword can be used in some other ways or not. Let us see to that. So suppose we have some requirement, something like this. See, we are having a customer table and we need to list all the customers, but they should be sorted by city and the customer name. Means there are two columns now, and based on these two columns we need to sort this table. So it is a bit tricky, right? So this this example will clear this concept for you, that whenever two columns are there, how we will deal with this. If three columns, four columns, how we will deal with that. Okay, so let us see. The query will be like this. So let us decode this query. So at first you know what to write. Select star from customer. We need to select all the rows from customer, and order by city comma customer name. Means you need to separate the columns name with a comma. So order by city and customer. So how will this work, right? Exactly by which column we will be sorting the data? So this is a big question, right? So what will be the answer? Let us first see to that. So this is our answer here, but how it came? So at first you need to remember that what is the first column here? City. So go to city column and now sort this according to ascending order, right? Because by default we need to sort it in ascending order only. So just see, K, there are two Ks, and exactly the value is also same, means there are two Kharagpur actually, and Pune, Gujarat. So K, K, P, G. So which is the first alphabet which comes in English? G comes. So we sorted it directly. We don't need to see for the next column. Just understand this. If it is sorted, we will keep it. So Gujarat is sorted, this row is sorted, so we kept it at first. Now next comes K, right? So this K is same, then we check for the next character. H is also same, A is also same, R, A, G, P, U, R. We see that entire string is same. Now in such cases, when the value for any row for this first column is same, we need to check for the next column. Means customer name will be checked in this scenario. Now in these two rows the Kharagpur value is same. Now we will go for the customer name and we will sort the rows based on this. So which character comes first, S or R? Definitely R comes. So this row will be our second row. So this is our second row and this will be our third row. Now P is left, so this is our last row. So I hope you got this thing. I am repeating again. Whenever some value of the first column is similar, exactly similar, then you need to go for checking the next column. Okay, and if it is also similar, if there is some other column, we will go to that. Okay, I hope you got this thing. This was a very important example, guys, so just make sure you note it down. Now I am giving you one other flavor of question so that you can clearly understand it. Okay, so let's move on to that. Suppose there is a requirement something like this, and this is our customer table. So let us understand the requirement. Basically, we need to list all the customers, but this must be sorted by city in ascending order. Okay, we need to sort them according to the city value in ascending order and by customer name in descending order. Okay, so this is a bit tricky and a big advanced thing, right? So there is again two columns, but now what they are saying, in the first column, according to the value in city column, you need to sort them in ascending order, and based on the value in customer name column, you need to sort them in descending order. So what will be the query? So our query is simple. Select star from customer order by city ASC. ASC for ascending. Okay, ASC is for ascending, comma customer name descending. Okay, because we need to sort this city column ascending order and for this customer name column in descending order. Okay, so the query is means logical, right? Now what is the result? So the result is this, but how it came, let us decode that. So first go to the first column value KKPG. So which character comes first in the English alphabet? So G comes, right? So this first row is sorted, so this will be our first row. Okay, we need not to see the second column as of now, because this G is for guarantee it will be in first row. Now this Kharagpur value is same for both the rows. Now we will go for this second column, that is customer name, and now we will sort them in descending order. Okay, now you understood the logic, right? So now we will sort them in descending order. S comes or R comes first? R comes first, so we should keep S. So S is kept at second, and then this is, so this row is sorted in ascending order only, but in descending order based on customer name. Okay, because the values in city column were same, that's why. Now at the last we need to keep this third row, that is this one, Arjun and Pune. Okay, so I hope you got this concept. If you have any doubt related to this, you feel free to comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out, and you can even reach or connect with me over LinkedIn. And this was one of the very important command in SQL, and I have tried to give you a variety of questions also with examples, so you can easily understand this concept. So if you really like this series, please feel free to like it and share it with your friends so that everybody can get help from it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.